Hello everyone, my name is Gina and welcome to Season Beauties. Our video on today, we will be unboxing our BoxyCharm Premium for the month of September. Yes, I know this is the premium because we've already done the Luxe for this month. And if you haven't seen it, check that one out as well. But for those of you who are not familiar with BoxyCharm, I will leave all the information down below with all the tiers that they have and the cost that is involved, okay? Let me just start off by saying I did get a disappointing email from BoxyCharm. Now, last month when we were actually able to choose our product, or one of them at least, for this month, what I chose got an email that said, oh, we're sorry we couldn't get that item to you. We apologize, but we'll send you something else. I'm not sure what this is going to be, and I'm not sure if I like it already because I was really looking forward to the other one, but I'm going to stay open-minded, okay? So let's just jump right in and see what came in the box. So when we open, the very first thing we have is, oh, this is nice, our description card, and it says, Strut Your Runway, okay? And the very first item that I have is by Elements, okay? And that's this product right here, and this is the Superfood Fruit Vinegar Liquid Glow. That's a mouthful, okay? But it says, this is infused with glow-getting AHAs derived from apple vinegar, apricot, and peach. The gently exfoliating formula reveals a radiant, smooth-looking complexion with improved clarity and texture. This refreshing toner removes every trace of visible pollution and helps minimize the appearance of pores. A natural prebiotic helps support and maintain the skin's microbiome, whilst prickly pear cactus nourishes the skin with vitamin and antioxidant-rich nutrients. Mild enough for twice daily usage, this glow-boosting toner leaves the skin feeling balanced and looking radiant. Now, the manufacturer suggested retail price for this item is $38. So, of course, this is the outer packaging. So let's just open it up and see what the inner packaging looks like. Now, this is a 4.9 fluid ounce size. It says it's for all skin types. And you know I'm checking for the expiration. Ah, there we go. And it does have a 12-month shelf life. All right. Oh, it has a list of things that it is amazing for, which is way too many to list right now. So let's just check it out. All right, and this is what the inner packaging looks like. Now, y'all know I am an Elements fan, okay? I love their products. They work marvelous with my skin, and I like it for that reason. Okay, well, I know I'm going to be using this real soon because I like to use all of a certain brand together, you know, and I'm still working on my current Elements product. So let's see. It has a very interesting fragrance. Yes, I can really tell the apple is very pronounced in this. Okay, now let me just tell you about this one. Okay, I have a cotton round, so, and this is one of the items that you push down on and it alleviates waste, which I love, absolutely love. I'm telling you, it's a blend of all of those different smells. I'm not sure if I like how they blend together, but that's not my big concern. My concern is how the product works. So this one will be the next one to be used, okay? So this is item number 1. So the next item that we have is by TULA Skincare, and it's this one right here. And this is the Brighten Up Smoothing Primer Gel. This is brighter, smoother looking skin is here with this yuzu-packed silicone-free face priming gel, non-comedogenic formula, grips makeup without clogging pores, plus bursts onto skin, creating an instant cooling and refreshing sensation. The manufacturer suggested retail price for this one is $34. And this one is a probiotic and it helps to maintain skin balance. Yuzu helps brighten skin's appearance, and willow herbs help calm blemish prone skin. Now this is a 0.40 gram size, and it says feed your skin the good stuff. And it says there are no parabens, sulfates, phthalates, mineral oil, and petroleum, formaldehydes releasing preservatives, and on, okay? And this one has a 12-month shelf life as well, and it is a cruelty-free product. All right, so let's take a look at the inside packaging, which I'm almost positive it's going to be that Tiffany shade of blue as well, which their products are known for. Yep, point proven. So here it is right here. Now, I'm not ready to open this one as of yet because it does have a 12-month shelf life as well. And I am currently using a gel primer in addition to the, I'm sorry, I was reading the top. It says Unleash Your Glow. In addition to my sunscreen. So we'll use this one coming up soon, I'm sure. Okay, then the next item that we have is by Benefit Cosmetics, and this is the California Kissin' Color Balm. It says this richly pigmented moisturizing lip balm provides up to 8 hours of smooth, luxurious color. This cushioning formula contains wild mango butter to help moisturize lips and hyaluronic acid to help keep lips feeling smooth, plump, and hydrated all day long, okay? Now, this one, the manufacturer suggested retail price is $21. This packaging is really cute, as with most of Benefit's packaging anyway. Now, this one is a 0.1 ounce size, and this one is in the shade Pomegranate. Okay, so let's just check it out and see if we can find a shelf life. Look at that. Can you see that okay? How about that? Okay, and it opens this way. Beautiful. Look at that shade. Okay. Let's just go ahead and swatch it. Oh yes, this would have gone good with what I have on today. All right, beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. Okay, I'm feeling this. I'm feeling this. So that is item number 3, and we're going to continue to move along. The next one that we have is by Dew of the Gods. And it's this one right here. And this says this is the Fuji Collagen Whip Vitamin Mask. All right. And it says vitamin cocktail anyone. That Fiji glow really hits different. All right. Rich, luscious, and thick electric cooling with a K, y'all. Infused with vegan collagen, vitamin C, and lychee extract, brightens, tones, and lifts your skin while restoring its natural bounce. Injected with hyaluronic acid, Fiji is all about that youthful, radiant glow. It's a party in the tropics, and the vibe is Fiji chic. The manufacturer suggested retail price is $42. Okay, and this one is a 3.52 ounce size. Okay, and this one has a pretty nice shelf life. It says this product expires on the 26th of December 2024. Okay, so we got plenty of time to use this product. So let's just check it out. and see. So of course you saw what the outer packaging looks like. Ooh. And this is what the inner packaging looks like. This is a very healthy size as well. Collagen Whip Vitamin Mask for that bright and bouncy. Okay, I'm looking forward to trying this. I really am. And when I do, I will definitely let you know. We'll do a before and after and see how it works out. Let's see if it tells us how to use it. It says directions. With clean skin and a clear mind, generously lather onto your face and neck. Wash off with warm water after 10 minutes. Okay. Now, if nothing else, this packaging is gorgeous. Okay. So, moving right along, we have one more product. We have two more products in this box. The next one that I have is by Dear Midnight. And this is what it looks like, all right? And this is the Star-Crossed Eyeliner Duo. This eyeliner duo contains two creamy, long-wearing, intensely pigmented pencil eyeliners that are perfect for creating clean, precise lines or for using all over as an eyeshadow. This is a new launch, and the manufacturer suggested retail price is $38. The last item that we have is by Iconic London, and it's this one right here. And this is the Desk to Dance eyeshadow palette. Okay, so work to after work, I'm gathering. And it says this is the perfect dance floor companion no matter where you're headed, featuring 20 new highly pigmented shades to suit every skin tone. It will leave you spoiled for choice. The velvety soft texture and selection of mattes, shimmers, and glitters will make your eye look pop from day to night to day, all right? And this is a Boxy exclusive with the manufacturer suggested retail price of $62. Okay. Now, this one is a 0.04 ounce size. It has a 12-month shelf life, and of course the outside packaging looks just like the inside. And let's just pull up these. Yes, it does have a full-size mirror. It is the full length and width of the cover. Okay, now I know you're ready to see what these shades look like. Okay, and here they are. How about that? Okay. Okay, so the shades that we have are Up Close, Honey Plant. This one is Sitting Pretty, and this one is Over It. Okay? How about that? These are gorgeous. And this second shade right here, this one is Iridescent. So definitely feeling that. So that one is going to change the way it looks depending on the way the light hits it. Okay? So let's look at what we received this month. We received skincare. Okay? Then the next step, which is a primer. Then we received a lip product. And our eyeshadows as well as liners. This was pretty good. I absolutely love the assortment. I love the assortment. I can't say that any of these items are items that I've had before, so thank you very much, BoxyCharm. I appreciate that. Does it still leave me kind of longing for the item that I chose? I'm only going to say yes because I was really looking forward to completing or to adding on to my one size collection, and that was actually the product that I chose, but I didn't get. And even when I went online to see if it was available for purchase now, it is not. So I don't know how long that's going to take, but I am very impressed by the items that I do have. Okay, so let me know your thoughts down below, as well as what you received if you are a Boxy customer. Okay, now I'm feeling it. I'm definitely feeling it. So let me just say, I thank you so very much for choosing to spend time with me on today as we unboxed our September BoxyCharm Premium, okay? And these are the items that were included, and down below is the total manufacturer suggested retail price for everything that was inside, okay? Now, remember, regardless of the season that you are in, you will always be a seasoned beauty. Until next time,